Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain why it's super important always to test fuses and relays. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those and you're trying to find where the fuse for the interior lights, also known as dome lights, is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and never just to look at the window and say, okay, that's a good fuse, because it could be a bad fuse, and we'll explain why. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So what we have specifically here, this is a 2018 Dodge Challenger. Now under the hood, guys, you have a fuse box right here, but unfortunately the fuse for the interior lights, dome lights, is not located there. It's actually, guys, at a different place. So let us show you now. If you come right here, the car has been in a little bit of an accident, but runs and drives good, and we'll be rebuilding it soon. So if you come right here, okay, check this thing out. We'll open the trunk. And when you open the trunk of your Dodge Challenger, guys, you will come right here next to the spare tire on the right side, and where your car battery is under that cover. When you lift it up, you will notice that you have a fuse box. You're going to press that thing towards the inside like that, okay? And now let us show you, okay, where, guys, okay, the fuse for the interior lights is, and then we'll test if the lights work after that. Okay, you can see they're off, guys. So if we come right here, let us show you which fuse that you need to check now. So we're going to come for the interior lights, but before we continue, let me tell you why it's super important to test fuses, because sometimes you may not be able to clearly see if they're burnt or not through the glass window right here, or the little fuses there as well. And if you think it's a good fuse but it's actually bad, you put it back in the car, and you will spend quite a bit of time and money trying to fix a problem when all you had to do is test the fuse and find out that it's bad. So we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays, and we'll put a link in the description below where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. The fuse that we need to check, coming, guys, from the left to right, even counting missing spaces, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 fuse from left to right, but it's known as fuse number F8. That fuse right here. So I'll go ahead, pull it out. Let me get a replacement one quick. Okay, I'll get a replacement one, push it back in. Now let's go ahead and inspect if the lights work now. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, perfect, everything works as it should. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.